Welcome back to Matt's Cooking Adventure, and today we're going to be making this delicious sausage plait. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. You will need a quarter of an onion, some tomato puree, some sausage meat, just roll puff pastry block and salt and pepper. Let's get started. So first we need to finely chop the onion, then with the sausage meat, mix the onion in with the sausage meat. Now that the onions are thoroughly mixed in, add a glob of tomato paste and season well with salt and pepper. Mix that all in. So you should look like this, so like slightly red sausage with chunks of onion in it. So now we need to get a baking tray, put some baking parchment on it, get your block and roll it out to the size of the baking tray. So now that it's all rolled out, cut the edges off so that it fits on your baking tray. Like that. Take the sides off. So now we get the sausage meat and put it there, and shape it, you can use your hands if you want, into a sausage. Now we get a knife, and then from here we cut lines like that. Now do the same with the other side. So now for the bottom part here, cut lines like that. Yeah, and then you're ready to start plaiting. So bottom part over like that, and then sausage bits like that. So it's nearly finished right now. And so for the end bit, what we do is we fold this part over, and this over the top. And there is your sausage plait. Now that it's all plaited, get some milk in a brush, and what we're going to do, we're just going to spread the milk over the top of the plait to make it golden brown finish. Now once it's all been glazed, leave it in the oven for half an hour to 40 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. So it's been in the oven for 40 minutes. It's gone golden brown, and leave it to cool for about 5 minutes. So once it's cooled down, transfer to a plate and it's ready to serve. So let's see what it looks like inside. Got that meat nice and juicy. So I think that about rounds this video up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.